Dulieu and White and Sons, 1901. What are the facts of the case? In this case, the driver of a parent horse van unintentionally drove his vehicle into a pub that the plaintiff was working in. Now, fortunately, the plaintiff was not physically hit by the van. However, she did suffer nervous shock as a result of the incident. And as a result, her unborn baby was born prematurely and was also born disabled. She started a claim for damages in negligence, and the defendant argued that the claim for damages was far too remote. The court had to answer the following three questions. Firstly, was the defendant negligent? Two, if he was, did his negligence cause the bodily injury to the plaintiff? And three, if the answer to question two is yes, could the plaintiff recover damages for these injuries, or were they too remote? The defendant relied heavily upon the case of Victorian Railway Commissioners and Coulters 1888, arguing that because no physical impact had been made when he drove his horse-pair van into the pub, the injuries that the plaintiff suffered as a result of the incident were far too remote. What did the court decide? They decided that the claimant could recover damages. They did not follow the decision reached in Victorian Railway Commissioners and Coulters 1888. Instead, they followed the decision reached in the Irish Exchequer case of Bell and Great Northern Railway. They decided that the plaintiff could recover damages because she was in reasonable fear of immediate danger to herself or immediate personal injury to herself. Why is the case significant? The case is significant because it demonstrated that in some cases, claims could be recovered when a person suffered physical injury as a result of nervous shock, even if there was no physical impact in the incident in question. The case is also significant because it was said arbiter that these types of cases or these claims would be limited to cases which involve the claimant or the plaintiff being in fear of personal injury to oneself, so not when there is fear of injury to a third party.